A strong wind swept through several states in the United States, causing at least one death and spawning possible tornadoes. Thousands of homes and businesses were left without power. In southern Ohio, as winds raged and hail came down, residents were terrified.
Oh, dear Lord. I thought we were going to die. We're fine, though. We're fine. Oh, dear God, this is bad. It was definitely a tornado. I think it might have just missed us by... Oh, dear Lord. I thought we were going to die. We're fine, though. We're fine. Oh, dear God, this is bad. It was definitely a tornado. I think it might have just missed us by a few feet. I think the way the hail was coming in.
In West Virginia, about 140,000 customers were without electricity. Earlier, the National Weather Service of Charleston, West Virginia, had issued a tornado warning for the mid-Ohio Valley. One of the hardest hit areas was northeastern Oklahoma, where a strong weather system containing heavy rains produced 3 suspected tornadoes. The police said the storms caused the death of a 46-year-old homeless woman in Tulsa who died inside a drainage pipe. Several storms also caused damage to trees and buildings in southern Illinois and Indiana. According to reports, several businesses suffered heavy damage in Williamson County. Several homes were seriously damaged with debris scattered through yards in parts of southern Indiana. Several local school districts had to cancel days' classes. More than 18,000 homes and businesses were left without power. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.